Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the eraser function on your pictures on the AirBrush application if you want to remove objects from your photo. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the camera option to take a picture or to the library button to select a photo. Click on the tools button down below, which is the third option. Then slide to the right side of the screen and click on the eraser function. Here you should tap on those objects that you want to remove. So just simply brush across those parts, and as you can see, those parts that you have selected are removed from the picture. So that's how it looks like. You can select the size of your tool down below on this scale, and if you want to save your changes, click on the checkmark icon down below in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.